What's up, people? What's up, people? What's up? Hello.
Hello.
What's up, people? How are you? Welcome back to the Savior of Companies. Last time we met, I was talking about how I thought the market would never go down ever again. And that day was February 26th, I believe it was. Savior. All I asked you to do was send me some email to save your company. I would have done it for you. Savior.
Some of you guys are starting to piss me off, I guess I gotta say. I never wanted to come at you in a belligerent way, actually direct my anger at the people that watch the show. But what am I doing this for? All I've done is giving you good information on stocks that I think are gonna go higher. And you know what? What happens is there are moments where the market's not going straight up. Ooh. And I tell you to sell out of some stuff. Most of this time in the chat rooms are day trades. The people in the chat room know. That's why I tell you to go to the chat room. What was I talking about with HIG? I had bought it at 10.01. I said if it holds 10, you're good for the year.
Savior. Savior.
And what do? I sell out of it at 11, chased it again at 12.50, 13, 14, bought the fucking mother load. It didn't look like it was going to break 16, so then I had to go sit through this little pullback. But you know what?
Savior.
The market will not go down to September 18th. I've been saying that date since May. I said the market will go either sideways or trickle upwards till September 18th, and then maybe we'll have a correction. September 18th, why that date? That is options expiration going into the month of October. The October expiration, which I finally think after the Dow Jones hits 12,000 and NASDAQ and the Q's going to 43 seems like it's inevitable now. Everyone's sitting there still questioning this rally, questioning whether or not this is a bull market. As long as there's people questioning it, we're going to go higher. Because what happens is every time we sell off, the shorts gain some confidence. And then we don't sell off the next day, they have to cover, the bulls come in, the shorts get crushed and take us to the next level. And we start that cycle all over again. So whereas the economy and America and the jobs and the housing, on all that data that you want to hinge everything you do on, it means nothing. Because if the market doesn't go down over a certain amount of time, the shorts will get panicked, they will cover, starting another rally, new money comes in. People don't like to buy the stock market when it's going down. It's the only discounted product on the planet that people think is a bad thing. If somebody wanted to sell me this jacket for 100 and I saw it for 4 cents, would I buy it at 4 cents, or would I think it's not a good buy anymore? I was about to buy the thing for 100, now it's at 5 cents. You gotta buy some. That's what this market's all about. Those March lows were a fart in the wind. Those were the reaction, America's doom lows. V-bottom. You missed that point. So now we're at the point where you gotta get in, or you're gonna miss the next leg up. That's what we had in May. And then we had a consolidation in June and July. And then we didn't sell off. We tried, and I told you if the quid did not break 35.50 and 35.85, that would be it for the quid. Sell your quid. Nailed that thing by a penny. Of course, douchebag that I am, I thought, based on stochastics and Bollinger Bands and overbought and all that bullshit, not accepting the fact that psychology and market sentiment runs this shit now, I decided to go short. And there I was up $1,000, now I'm down $4 grand on this quid. Awesome. Alright, well, nah, I gotta go because I gotta manage this HIG position I got here, try to make some money off this thing. The story is, tell your friends about this because it's not gonna last. I can't, put it this way, the recession, it's not a rumor because I know people who don't have jobs, people get mad when I say that recession's a rumor, that everything's fine. And there's still people that are unemployed and They look at their 401k statements and they're still down 50% until all that money comes back. The funny thing is, all those people, they wouldn't think about buying anything now. But when it gets back to break even, they'll start buying again. That's why we're going to go higher and higher and higher. Just admit to yourself that the bubble is being... whatever you want to convince yourself about, convince yourself already. We're going higher. I've been saying it for months. I felt this way. I am the market sentiment. I know how people are feeling. I know. And I felt the same way. God damn, I missed the lows. I better get in now. Then we had this 20% move. I said, I better take some profit. And then when the market didn't go down, I said, oh man, I better get back in because we're not going down. I don't want to miss the next leg up. Missing the boat rally is more powerful than anything. And then the shorts getting squeezed is nothing better. Miss the boat plus a short squeeze, 20% before you think about what's going on. Dow 12,000, Dow 12,000. Everything's fine. We don't need oil anymore. We don't need gold anymore. Keep buying your gold there, you guys who want to build caves. And instead of this, if you're really that pessimistic on America, sell your gold because it ain't going to be worth shit, buddy. No one's going to be there to buy your gold if the apocalypse comes. Weaponry. Buy bullets. That's the thing that's rare nowadays. Try to find some armor-piercing bullets. And armor, shields, helmets. Go get yourself that bomb shelter that you've always wanted. Sell your gold, sell your silver. Because if the end of the world's coming, dude, we are going to be coming to you to buy bullets, all right? And you'll be getting quite some kepi for some bullets when there's nothing to trade except sexual favors in the oncoming apocalypse.